It was bid out actually twice. We also got a GSA quote for it. This has been a 3-month process of asking for bids for the fire alarm system.
Mm-hmm. Is there any objection to using MSS because they have been disciplined by the Electrical Licensing Board for not getting permits and inspections with Buncombe County Schools in the past? They did 3 other fire alarm systems
Ms. Baldwin,
that I'm aware of.
Ms. Baldwin, we're back. You're getting off of the intent to purchase the fire alarm system.
This is exactly what I'm talking about. MSS is the company we're voting to approve, and they don't have a good
They are a
track
licensed
record.
contractor approved by the state of North Carolina.
That is correct.
And they are off probation as we speak.
And they have done work for us in the past, and they did not get permits and inspections.
Ma'am,
They
they've got
were
a permit
working
for
under a
every job
permit
they've ever
through the-
did for us through the fire marshal's
Through the
office.
fire marshal's license.
Okay. Any questions particular to this contract?
Well, somebody please tell me that where the $70,000 is coming from, that this has run over the budget.
Ma'am, it is not over the budget. This was a phased project. We had
Mhm.
$90,000 that was approved by this board through the capital process in 2012. And then this year in 2013, $135,000 was approved.
Okay, that's fine. I mean, I don't know why I can't get this information before I vote on something. It would seem to me rational that you would supply the information as to where the money is
I
coming
wasn't
from,
asked
the
that
source of
question,
funding.
so I don't know.
Again, if you'll
Thank
refer
you
to
for that
the email that
information.
was sent out today, Dr. Baldwin very clearly states this information. I don't know how it could be more clear. So.
You want me to read it?